In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can see your secret phrase on Trust Wallet. So this process is very easy and it will only take a few seconds. Let's get straight to the point. So the first thing you need to do is open your Trust Wallet extension and go to your settings. Once you are here, you will see this option to view your secret phrase. You just need to click it and enter your password. As you can see here, it's important to note that you don't need to share your secret phrase with anyone because if someone has this phrase, they can steal all your money. Now I'm gonna reveal it, and here I have the secret phrase. If I click on here, it will remove this censorship and this will allow anyone to access your wallet. Make sure you keep it somewhere safe and don't lose access to this phrase. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.